Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make Talon Karrde from the Thrawn Trilogy. So without any further ado, let's get into this. The legs and the head come from this Iron Man minifigure. The torso comes from this Jurassic World Owen minifigure. I swapped some brown arms onto mine. Finally, I used this long black curly hair piece for his hair. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building your minifigure. Overall, I think this does a good job of capturing what the character looks like in the comics and the books. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you have any minifigure requests that you would like to see, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. Also, if you're not subscribed, I'd highly recommend you do that because that just motivates me to keep making tutorials. If you would like to see some more Purist custom LEGO minifigures, feel free to click on the links which should be in the end screen now.